Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we have another unboxing thing. So today we will be unboxing a keyboard of Alcatroz, which is actually a combo with a keyboard and a mouse. So it is all wireless, but before we start the unboxing, I would really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more videos like these. And also on the top right corner over here you will see an I button where you can see the latest Samsung Galaxy A03 phone unboxing video, which was lately released by Samsung, and I just bought that phone and for you guys of course, and I unboxed it. So over here on the I button you will see that video. Go check it out, like, share and subscribe. So before we start the unboxing, let's have a look at the specs of this keyboard. So it is a 2.4 GHz wireless keyboard and mouse. It is supported AA and AAA battery, slim and low profile, and a unified dongle. So by the dongle it means the port. It even has a two-year warranty and supports Windows. It supports Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, Windows 10, and Macintosh 2. So, and these are some more things written on the back. So it is the JellyBean a2000 and it is by Alcatroz, and these are the specifications written. You can read them. So now we will be unboxing this. So it came without tape, and this is not a fake unboxing, it's a real one. So first we open this clip and then we will take this off and then we open it. So this is the keyboard. Let's take out the keyboard and the mouse. So it is a combo together. Okay, so let's take this out. These are the warranty cards and the user manual. Let's keep them aside. Let's take this keyboard out. Oh, that's a good matte finish keyboard, and also with a good voice, and the space bar is also good, and it is all white from all sides. And these, like, it's a good thing for, especially for programmers. I really suggest that. If you want to buy that, I will give the link below in the description. You can check it out from there. Then we have the mouse, and the good thing is that you can store the dongle very safely. And how we will like open it from here like this. I already placed the cells to show you guys how it works, and here is the dongle. You can take the dongle out and connect it to your keyboard, and you can place the lid back. And then we have a switch over here, an on off switch, like over here. And also in the keyboard there's a small slit over here where you put two cells together, and also you can place the dongle inside over here. So I guess this was for today's unboxing video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also please don't forget to give me a feedback in the comment section below, because more unboxing videos and more tutorials of science and different types of microcontrollers and electronics will be on their way. So make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, enjoy the video.